Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are out and about and we are gonna test out the Leica Q3 at this really cool location here in Zurich. We've been shooting here a couple of times and this time we wanted to come here and test out the camera in this spot. We are with the baby who just ate but still a bit fuzzy, maybe he's sleepy. But here you can see this plant collection from all over the world. You can find amazing plants, and I think it's a really cool location in general for shootings. Today we're here and let's test out the camera. Let's go. Here is the name of the place here in Zurich city, and the entrance is free of charge. We are right next to the Lake Zurich. So it's nice one to have a look, walk around and also take some pictures. I think today is perfect day for shooting here because we were here a couple of days ago and it was super sunny, and today it's gloomy but sometimes the sun comes out, so it's perfect. Should I go here? And you can shoot me this way.
Okay, I will do it on this side.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, careful. I will leave the camera here. These are cool. Maybe this one or these? We can do now some pictures with the baby. What do you think? Or there, the other side.
Yeah.
Shooting go further?
Yeah. Can you go on? Stop. Stop. No, no. Little bit. Come. Come. Yeah. Jeste. Lady. Okay. Лови. Да, така беше добре. Стой. Окей.
Дякую. Film the camera first.
Okay.
Further?
I mean, it's okay. It's okay, but it's not this what I'm looking. Yeah, it's good.
Now we can take some macro shots, test out this mode. What about these here on the ground? The greens or the whites? They're cool. Pictures, we downloaded yesterday the Leica Look. It's called Chrome. So these are with this look of the Leica straight from the camera.
Yeah.
And I think they look, I mean, the look is really nice, and they don't need much edit afterwards.
Nice.
See the results from the pictures right away. I will include the shots here in the video. Let us know how do you like the light, how do you like the look of the Leica Look, the chrome one. Let us know in the comments. Have you tried to shoot with the Leica Looks? This was from today's video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like the video and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!
Bye.